I know even if I don't find.
So I want to get into trading. I'm thinking about how to start trading, how to learn, or whether to give somebody my money to invest in trading. What do you think I need to know, I need to understand about trading before I venture into it?
Oh, with my experience, I think you should know that it's a risky business. It's very risky, so you should be willing to accept the risk that comes with it. So that means you can make money and you can lose that money. You should know that. And also, if it is you that is trying to trade, then you should be ready for a lot of emotions, control over a lot of emotions, because this is something that involves a lot of emotions, like emotions of greed, impatience. No matter how you think you are patient, it will test your patience. No matter how you think you are not greedy, it will test your ability to see whether you can, like, it's that crazy, because you see a lot of money, something that can give you that can pay you. Let's say your job pays you $300 every month. This is something that you can make a $300 in 30 minutes. You can make more than that. So that's something paying you more than your income in that short space of time. And at the same time, you should also understand that that same $300 that you are making in that period of time, that short space of time, can also be a loss of $300 in that same short. So you can see that you can lose your salary in that same 30 minutes, in as much as you can make your salary in that. So you should understand that this is a risky business. If you are not even a risk taker, if you are not that person that likes taking risk, I think I will not even advise you to be in this game. It's that crazy. And when it comes to emotions, impatience, it will test your patience. That's just the truth. Even the most patient person on earth has to still relearn patience when it comes to forex. That's what I believe in my experience. No matter how you think you are patient, you will know that you have to add more patience and greed. Just the way I said, something that pays you $300 in the space of 30 minutes. Let's say you expect another 300. You understand? You try to, because there's so much money. That's the largest market in the world. $6 trillion. They trade $6 trillion from Mondays to Friday. That's the largest market in the world. And you have to understand that it gives you control. There's so much. It's so crazy. It's wide that you feel like you are in control, but you are not control. No matter how much you come into the forex market, you feel like come with $1 billion. And I know what I'm saying, because this is an industry that only the banks and financial institutions control. So if you are like single, like, just, you are not a business, you are not a bank, you are not a hedge fund, and you come into the game with $100 million or $100 billion, you can't control the market. Trust me. This is like a government. You are dealing with a country. When it comes to forex, it's currency. So when we say USD, you are dealing with United States. United States. And when we say GBP, British pounds, Great British GBP, Great British pounds, you are dealing with the British, the UK, United Kingdom. You are dealing with the United Kingdom. And when we say the euro, you are dealing with European countries. So when it comes to forex, when you look at USD, so that's why I made mention of, even if you come with $100 million, you cannot influence dollar, because you cannot control United States of America. That's how crazy forex is now, being the largest market in the world, a market that they trade $6 trillion every day. That says you can make any amount. You are in control of any amount you make. And also the crazy thing about it is that you can also control your loss. So it's not like if you make 300, it's your decision to make your salary. If you decide to make your salary, and it's your decision to lose that same salary, because the ball is in your court. Forex is crazy because it will teach you more about yourself. It will teach you more. It will teach you more about yourself, because it's so emotional. control of emotions, when it has to do with money, you know, short space, we call it easy hard money. It seems easy. Yes, I'm on a desk, I'm doing one or two, and I make someone's salary, or I make my salary or so, and you're like, easy money. But it's not that easy. It's really crazy. And if you don't take time, Forex has killed a lot of people. You understand? And Forex has also brought a lot of people out of their wretchedness, or rather their slums. I know someone that made $35,000 from a $1,000 investment in Forex. And I also know someone that sold everything they had. I mean, luxuries, they went down, bankruptcy down. Do you understand? All because of Forex. That's how crazy it can be. And it's also very addictive. Do you understand? It's addictive. Trust me. The good thing is that if you are able to control your emotions, and you should also understand that in as much as you can have so much profit and so much loss, you can also control this same profit. You decide how much you can make and how much you can lose. So it's crazy, but in those decisions, that's where the crazy moments come. Like those decision making, that's where the greed will not allow you to want to take profit. You are seeing $10. It's crazy because as I'm saying this, and like I've experienced it, no worry. It's like my experience.
So at the end of the day, is it worth it?
I think it's worth it if you are a risk taker. If you are a risk taker. But if you are not, I don't want a situation whereby you come and be bothering yourself, not be willing to sleep. No, somebody that has always been taking risk will understand that, okay, this is another challenge, or this is another aspect. But someone that is not a risk taker, I don't think he can sleep when he has a trade that is open. Do you understand? And I don't think he can be able to leave a trade to run when he's seeing profits. Because why Forex is also crazy is that you are seeing profit, but it can give you more. It can give you more of that. So if you are not patient too, you might not actually even get that much. So if you are not also a risk taker, no, you can't. You can, but it's going to be, that's another challenge for another day, for another time.